Hello students, welcome back to our next session, English lesson 2, Munish at school. We completed few exercises children. Now we are going to do the exercise 4th one, page number 19. Look at the book children. This is the task about yourself. You have to complete this. Read and fill in the blanks. Children, that is about yourself. You have to do. That is the activity children. You have to write in your textbook that. Okay children? The next exercise, word power, textbook page 19. Children, 19. The question is, match the words with their opposite. Match the words, T-H-E, the words, W-O-R-D-S, words, with, W-I-T-H, with, T-H-E-I-R, their opposites, O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E-S, opposites. The words are, number 1, the words are, number 1, sit, next to the go. Number 2, these are the questions children, P-M, old. Number 3, new, late. Number 4, early, AM. Number 5, come, there, after. Number 6, loves, hates. Number 7, before, stand. Children, match. Read these words children. Sit, PM, new, early, come, loves, before. Next side, go, old, late, AM, after, hates, stand. We should match children. First one is sit. What is the opposite children? Sit opposite, stand. Sit, stand. Next, PM. We are saying that afternoon. PM opposite, AM. Before the noon. Then, new. New means new opposite old. New opposite old. Early. What is opposite? Late. The opposite is late. Early opposite late. Come, go. Come, go. Loves, hates. Before, after. We will write again here children once. Number 1. What is the first word here? Sit. Sit opposite, stand. Sit, stand. Next one is PM, AM. Number 3, new, 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 old, old. Number 4, early, early, late. You come to school early, don't be late. Number 5, come, go, go, go. Number 6, loves, loves, loves. Opposite, hates. Number 7, before, before, after. Read once, children. Sit, stand, PM, AM, new, old, early, late, come, go, loves, hates, before, after. This is the exercise. We'll go to the next exercise, children. Exercise number 2, children. Same page, page number 19. Join, Join, join. These words sir, close, sir. Stop. Join these words to make new words. New words. Here you are getting 2 words in 2 columns. What are the words? Children will see. First column, foot. Number 2, play. Number 3, class. Number 4, home. Home. Number 5, break. Here next side we are getting another words. What are them? Fast, ball, time, work, room. Children, here few words are there and here also few words are there. 2 different words. If you match, we will get a word. That is, we'll see foot. Next word we are matching, ball. Football. That is one thing. Football. The next, play. 2 words are there and time. Play time. That is a word. Play time. Then class. Class is one word and room is another word. Join, classroom. That is a word. Next, home. Matching with work. Homework. Then break. Matching with fast. Breakfast. Now we will write these words together, children. Number 1 is football. 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 Next is play time. Play time. Play time. Play time. Number 3, classroom. 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 Number 4, homework. 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 Number 5, breakfast. Breakfast. These are 2 words, but we can join together as a word. football, playtime, classroom, homework, breakfast. These have a meaning, children. Okay, children, this is the second homework, second exercise. Okay. Next exercise, third exercise, word power, page number 20, children. In there, they are asking that write, W-R-I-T-E, write the plurals, plurals of the following words. Here, children, look at the question, children. Write the plurals of the following words. What does it mean in the plurals, children? Plurals means more than one. Here you see, children, this is a pen. A pen, that is singular. One pen, two pens, that is plural. Singular and plural. One pen, two pens. Understood, children? Here we are getting some words. We should write the plural words here. Okay, children, we'll write. The first one is bus. What is the plural word, children? One bus. More than one, what we will say? Buses. B-U-S-E-S. Buses. Number two, we added the E-S here, children. Bus, E-S. We added E-S. Okay. Next, box. What is the plural word? Boxes. B-O-E-X-E-S. Boxes. We added E-S here. Okay. Then number three, child. Here you see, children, this child we are getting the other word, that is children. One child, many children. Child, children. Okay. Not child's children. Number four, class. Class. What will be there? Classes. The plural word is classes. We added es there. We added es there. Then number 5. Story. Story. We are writing that S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Stories. You see, children, S-T-O-R-Y. Story. Here the spelling is S-T-O-R-I-E-S. The last letter is Y. We are not writing Y. Instead of that, we are writing here I-E-S. Few words are like, children. When this is singular, here we are using Y. But in the plural, we are not writing Y here and writing I-E-S. Stories. So here what we wrote for the plural? E-S. Here also E-S. Here also E-S. Here another word. Okay. The next here we are not writing the last letter Y. And instead of that we are writing I-E-S. Stories. Then number 6. Poem. Here more than means poems. We added only S. P-O-E-M. Poem. P-O-E-M. Yes. Only S we added there for the plural words. Okay. Then number 7. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. You have one friend. You have many friends. Okay. What is the word here? F-R-I-E-N-D-S. What we added extra here? Yes. Then next, number 8. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. What is the plural word, children? T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. See, children, poem, friend, teacher. We added only this S only here for the plural word. Many are there. But here story, we didn't write Y. Instead of that, we added here IES. Class, box and bus. We added ES here. Okay. Then child, the other word for the plural. What is that? Children. Okay, children? Understood the singular words and the plural words. Okay? Read, children. Stop. Come to the next exercise, children. Word power, page number 20. Exercise is 4th one. Look here, children. Choose. C-H-O-O-S-E. Choose a suitable, S-U-I-T-A-B-L-E, suitable word to fill in each blank. In each blank. B-L-A-N-K, blank. You are getting the options here, children. The words are go, late, L-A-T-E, late. Next, time, T-I-M-E, time. Next, clock, clock. Next, teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. And morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. These are the options you got in the bracket. Then the sentence is, my school opens at 8 dash. What will be there, children? Read here. Options are go, late, time, o'clock, teacher and morning. The first question is, my school opens at, what will be 8 is there? What will be the next word, children? O'clock. O'clock. So 8 o'clock. You should read that. 8 o'clock. My school opens at 8 o'clock. The next one is, I am never dash. Never go or late. I am never late to school. Yeah, very good. Late. I am never late. Okay. Then third one, I reach my school in dash. You are late or correct time, children, going to school? I reach my school in time. In the dash, you have to write time. Read that. I reach my school in time. Okay. Then next one is, I dash to my class. To my class. Which word is suit here, children? I dash to my class. I go to my class. Go to my class. Okay. The next one is, teacher. The teacher. The teacher. The dash comes in. Comes in. The dash comes in. Who came there? Which is a suitable word, children? Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Read the sentence. The teacher comes in. In means in the classroom. Okay. Then last one is we stand up and stand up and say, what you will say, children? When the teacher is coming to your class morning, what you will say? Good dash teacher. What you are saying, children, when teacher is coming to your class in the morning? Good. What will say? Good morning. Now read the sentence, children. We stand up and say good morning, teacher. Understood, children, these exercises? Okay. The fourth exercise is also completed. Now these exercises you have to write in the class workbook and homework book also. Okay, children, and learn well. Thank you.